Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use QuickBooks for beginners. Starting with QuickBooks can feel overwhelming at first. There are buttons everywhere, financial terms, and multiple sections. But here's the truth, you don't need to learn everything at once. If you understand the core actions, creating transactions, managing accounts, and navigating the dashboard, you're already ahead of most beginners. First, log into your QuickBooks account. What you'll see: dashboard, financial overview, shortcuts, and menus. This is your financial control center. It tracks income and expenses and also shows business performance. Next, tap the Create button. You'll see sections like Customers, Vendors, Team, and other tasks under the Other section. This is where you create everything such as invoices, expenses, and payments. For example, to create an invoice, tap Invoice. Here, enter customer name, service, amount, and quantity. Invoices are how you get paid. Tap Review and Send. Explore other Create options. Click the Create button again. What else you can do? Add expenses, record payments, add vendors, and manage employees. Everything starts from here. Think of it as your action hub. Next, go to All Apps. What you'll see: additional tools, integrations, and advanced features. Some features require subscriptions, so choose only what you need. Next, tap the Settings icon. What you can do here: edit company info, manage users, and customize features. This controls how your system works. For example, go to Chart of Accounts. What you'll see: list of all accounts, income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. What you can do: view account register, edit accounts, and also add new accounts. This is the backbone of your accounting. Every transaction is categorized here. Return to the dashboard. Look for Create Actions. It's a quick shortcut for common tasks and helps for a faster workflow. It also has the most used features in one place. You now know how to navigate the dashboard, create invoices, use the Create button, explore tools, manage settings, and understand accounts. That's the foundation of QuickBooks. To summarize, using QuickBooks as a beginner involves logging in, using the Create button to manage transactions like invoices, exploring tools through the All Apps section, customizing your system through settings, and managing your finances using the Chart of Accounts. Mastering these basics gives you full control over your financial system. And that's how to use QuickBooks as a beginner. You don't need to know everything, just focus on the core actions and build from there. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.